Hello, you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Thank you very much to my returning viewers. And if you are clicking to this video for the first time, hopefully by the end of this video, I would have convinced you to press that subscribe button. So in today's video, I will be sharing my DIY live-in conditioner. Basically from the things you would get in your kitchen. So what I've done off camera is I have washed my hair, and if you haven't checked out my wash day routine video, I will leave the description somewhere here around the screen or down below. I will make sure that you find it so you know how I wash my hair and the products that I use to wash my hair. So yes, in this video I would be literally showing you all how I make my mayonnaise avocado conditioner. So without wasting any further time, let us look at all the ingredients I will be using for this conditioner. So guys, welcome to my kitchen. As I did mention that this hair conditioner is going to be using things that you normally find in your kitchen. It is an avocado and mayonnaise hair conditioner. So let us go through the ingredients. So the first thing you'll need is an avocado, obviously. Just a medium-sized avocado, obviously very much ripe. The riper the better, I think. I'm going to be using the whole avocado simply because I'm making this hair conditioner for my sister and I. So normally if I would just make it for my own self, I would just use half. And mind you, we don't have preservatives in this conditioner, and we are using food products. So we can never store it for more than a week. And even if you do have leftovers, make sure that you leave it in the fridge. So yeah, so whatever you make, you must make sure that you're going to consume at the same time. So we're going to be using this avocado. We're going to use Tangy mayonnaise. This one is from Woolworths. But it has to be tangy. I like tangy mayonnaise. You're going to be using honey. It must be raw honey. I got this one from Food Lovers Market, but any raw honey is fine. Extra virgin olive oil and coconut oil. Let us go into a mixing. Oh, one thing that I forgot to mention, that you are also going to be needing a electric mixer. If you don't have, it's fine. I just like things fast. And then you're obviously going to need a bowl. You're going to mix your things in. A spatula and a spoon. So let's do this. So this is how everything looks when I've mixed every single thing. So now I'm just gonna blend it, and then you're gonna see. So guys, I am done mixing every single thing, and this is kind of like the consistency that you are looking for. So I'm gonna transfer it to this coloring bowl. I don't know, a lot of people use to color hair. I'm gonna transfer it to this, and then I'm gonna apply it on my hair so you guys see how I apply it. So guys, welcome back, and joining me right now is my sister Ungi Tandile. Ungi baby.
Hi.
So as you guys can see that I've already applied conditioner to my hair. So now I'm just gonna apply it to Tandy's hair. As I did say earlier on that I'm making this for 2 people. So while I'm gonna do that, me and Tandy are going to play a game. What's the game called, Tandy?
It's called, what's it called? Who's most likely to. Yeah, it's called Who's most likely
to. Okay, so it's also kind of like get to know each other. It's her very first time being on my channel, guys. Like, this day has finally came.
I've been asking her to put me on this channel, but she doesn't want, guys. I don't understand what her problem is.
And I've been to your channel like twice now.
Dude, you are a resident of my channel. It's my first time.
I even do intros on her channel.
Exactly.
I introduce myself.
Exactly. But I've never been here.
So it's good to have you.
Thank you. It's good to be here finally.
Yay.
Hi guys.
So Tadi's gonna be reading, and then I'm gonna be doing a hair. So you guys are gonna be also watching me watching how I actually apply this leave-in conditioner. So Tanya washed her hair, and her hair is like semi-dry but also still wet. You know, you don't want to put in the conditioner in dry hair. You know, it must be like damp but not dripping, because if it's dripping, then your conditioner is just going to drip with the water. It's going to run off. Yeah, so it must be like semi-dry but also like wet and soft. Yo, Tandy's hair, Saba well, I wish
you can have it. You can have it.
I wish. But she's been following my tips.
Yeah,
that's why her hair is looking like this.
Honestly, she owns my hair, guys. Like she owns my hair. I don't put anything, but doesn't say I must put. You know, I just follow her instructions, and that's how my hair has grown.
So big. She's gonna be my model one day. So let's play the game.
We'll see. We'll see who knows who better. Anyway, so first question is, who's most likely to get caught skinny dipping?
Well, I've skinny dipped before.
But I then it's you. I've always wanted to though. I've always wanted to go skinny dipping. I just never really found the I never had the opportunity to.
It was for me. It was at night. I was drunk with this other guy, and we weren't even dating. We were just so drunk and alone in the beach. So
we're at the beach too. I'm thinking it's a pool.
No, we're at the beach. Like it was like South Beach. Yeah, it was South Beach. So we went to eat at the joint, and then it was like near the ocean. They were like, let's just go to the ocean just to like, you know, the view and everything. And then we ended up skinny dipping.
Damn. Well, that's you. I would love to though. I would love to.
So you're also most likely to.
Yeah, probably. Okay, it's both of us.
Both of us.
Okay, so who's most likely to get an embarrassing tattoo? Me.
Tandy. I don't even have a tattoo. And she's crazy about tattoos.
I'm most likely to get a tattoo I'm gonna regret when I'm 50. Like, what the fuck was I writing on this? Oh, why did I do this? Yeah, no.
I don't have tattoos, but I like tattoos. But I don't have
like
as yet.
I want more. Like, I want a lot.
By the end of the year, how many are you gonna have? You already have 2 in mind.
I think 2 by the end of the year. I don't know next year, by the end of next year, how many I'm gonna have. But yeah, by the end of the year, I should have 2. This year is not gonna finish until I have those 2. Anyway, who's most likely to become a crazy cat lady?
Oh, cat lady. What's a cat lady?
Those ladies that have a lot of cats in their house.
Oh, not
neither of us.
Neither of us. Like neither of us. Hell no. No ways.
We don't even like cats. Exactly.
No one is gonna be that lonely. No ways.
Cats.
I don't even like cats.
Me too. I don't even like cats. Cats are.
I'm a dog person. Where's Culture?
Is she?
Oh no, she's gonna come
in. She's gonna eat the conditioner.
Dog.
I love dogs, but I don't like cats.
Yeah, and I like small dogs. I don't like big dogs.
Yeah, I don't like big dogs. I like small furry dogs.
Yeah.
I like Culture. I don't like the rest. Okay, next question. Who's most likely to eat something off the ground?
Both of us. Like, come on.
The 5-second rule, it applies in this household.
Like, it's not bored, guys. 5-second rule, I'll pick it up.
Honestly, and put it back in my
mouth. I'm hoping that this is enough for Tandy's. Like, she has a lot of hair.
Did I wash my hair proper?
Yeah. Yeah, you did. Yeah.
It's gonna be enough. Anyway, next question. Who's most likely to get arrested urinating in public? Wait. It's illegal to urinate in public?
It's legal! It's legal! You can't be... Yeah!
But men do it all the time. They just be whipping it out.
Yes, they do it, but it's still illegal. If they were to find you urinating in public, they can arrest you.
Really?
You didn't know?
No.
Guys, I feel like you and I need to take like a law class, like I don't know, like crime and law class.
So to answer this question, both of us, we stay urinating in public, especially when you're drunk.
Yeah, like on Friday.
No. On Friday,
we were like, oh, the club toilets are full.
Let's go outside. I'm telling you, guys.
Yeah, and the guy was like, "You guys are weird."
How?
How?
The line to the bathroom was literally outside. I was like, ain't no way.
Ain't no way.
We're gonna find in between two cars or a rock.
Coffee in Midrand.
Yeah, we're at coffee in Midrand. We're gonna find somewhere to pee.
We found
outside.
a bunch of trees out there.
We're like, that's the spot.
The whole night that was our peeing spot.
That was our peeing spot the whole night. Every time we needed to pee, we went there.
I'm not gonna wait.
Crazy. Oh my gosh, who's most likely to order a takeaway in the next 24 hours?
Tandy. Definitely Tandy. Tandy and takeaways. That's where all her money goes to, guys. All her money goes to takeaways. All of it. All her money, guys. I am telling you.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie.
She even knows my specials on the app. No, use this app. No, KFC, it's free. Yeah. This is a special there. Love. She knows, I'm telling you. Definitely you.
Okay, fine. I'll take it.
No, don't order it on Mr. D. KFC. It's cheaper when you order through KFC.
And KFC had this thing, if you order, because the app was still new then. So if you order on the KFC app, whatever you order, you get a free piece of chicken. I used to love that. I used to order all the time.
I didn't even know that.
I used to order all the time. I love KFC. KFC
is nice.
Okay, so it's me. It's fine, guys. I'll take it. Who's most likely to lose their phone on a night out? Me.
Me too.
You are more protective. You like, where's my bag? Every 5 seconds, you're like, where's my bag? Where's my bag? Where's my phone? Where's my bag? Where's my bag?
Put it there.
You know, put it there. Can I hold the bag? I want to hold the bag. You understand? Me, on the other hand. Oh, shit.
Tiny and phones, guys.
I know, I'm always using phone.
But I'm so proud of you.
I haven't lost this one.
Yeah, this is like the longest
time I've kept the phone.
Like,
I'm always losing a phone.
Tandy is always...
I'm always leaving them in Ubers. or getting mad. Like, I just have bad luck. You guys know.
Or they just die.
Literally. Or they just collapse.
Collapse like that. And it's like, what did I do? Like... And we always have the same phones, and her phone always dies first.
Exactly. Okay, who's most likely to snore so badly their partner sleeps on the sofa? I don't think I snore. Do I snore?
No, you don't. Sorry, your hair's tangled. Yeah.
Do I snore?
No, you don't snore. Do I snore? I sometimes snore.
Yeah. But no, it's not like I can't sleep now because you snore. It's not that bad.
And it's like wake me up and be like, sleep properly.
I would wake you up, but I haven't. Because even if you do snore, you don't snore for long.
Yeah, it's always like... And I felt like I snored in the morning because my throat was freaking dry.
Really?
Yeah. Tandy. And that's what happens at night. But am I the only one who feels like...
No, and it'd be my nose.
My nose. Like, oh my word. So like, Bob's Book, guys. This place is dry. Desert.
Yeah, honestly.
Desert.
Okay, so
that's none of us.
Did the thing finish?
I told you.
Okay.
I told you, Tandy. She would use a whole container of conditioner.
Okay, so who's most likely to marry a celebrity? Me.
Tandy! And you did say that you're gonna date.
I'm gonna date a celebrity. I don't know who it's gonna be yet, but one of these days. Who's most likely to have a threesome?
Tandy. You.
No, but that's true. I'm not gonna lie.
Hey, I'm telling you, these days in January, you're gonna come back and be like, oh no, see. You know what happened.
I don't even know how it happened. All I know is I was naked and there were two people.
You.
Yeah.
Definitely you.
Yeah. I
want to have one though also. Like, I don't know. It's just that I don't think it attracts me. Like, how many times have you been approached?
For 3? Yo, I don't even know. I can't even count. Guys, no, but for real, something's wrong. Couples keep approaching me for threesomes. I don't understand why. And sometimes it'll be a thing of like, maybe I'll be feeling the girl, or maybe I'll be feeling and not be feeling the guy. And then if it's another couple, maybe I'll be feeling the guy and not be feeling the girl. Guys, I don't know what's wrong with couples. I don't know. I don't know what about my aura, my forehead, my medulla, my nose, my eyebrows say approach for threesome. Guys.
I've never been approached.
It's very awkward.
So you very much likely.
It's very awkward. Anyway, who's most likely to be late for everything?
Is it not the both of us?
I'm never late though.
Really? Yeah. I'm slow. Like if we are to get ready, Bonozi is gonna be the last person to actually get ready.
Yes, you're very slow. Okay, maybe you.
I'm very slow. Like even if deciding what I'm gonna wear, like I would take out like
she'll change 7 times, guys. It's so fresh. And she won't even change like the whole outfit. Maybe she'll put on something, eh? And then she'll be like, ish, but it's cold. Let me change the top. And then she'll be like, ish, okay, let me change the pants. And then she'll change the top again. Like,
I don't know. I just cannot decide. Like, I don't know. Anyways, thank you guys. Is this the end of the video? I don't know. Maybe we're gonna come back to show y'all the results after, or I'm just gonna like drop pictures like how they look like after. But this is our hair with
that means I have to go wash my hair again?
Yes, darling. Yes, you have honey and it's sticky and you have mayonnaise.
Can you wash my hair?
No, you're gonna wash your hair. You're gonna wash our hair. But after an hour. Yeah. We're gonna keep this on for an hour. We're gonna wash our hair and then I'm gonna show y'all the end results. So stay tuned. Thank you very much for making it till the end of this video. Hopefully you'll try this conditioner. As you can see, it has done wonders for our hair, has kept it nourished and beautiful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time.